Yes, a clogged toilet left untreated can cause progressive damage to plumbing and sometimes to the surrounding structure. A persistent blockage increases pressure in the drain line and can force wastewater into joints and seals, which weakens connections over time. Start by shutting off the toilet supply valve to prevent overflow and relieve pressure before attempting a fix. Use a high-quality flange plunger with firm, rhythmic strokes rather than short jerks to create a consistent pressure differential and avoid pushing the clog deeper. Add a few tablespoons of liquid dish soap and a gallon of warm water poured from waist height to lubricate the trap and encourage the clog to move. Avoid boiling water because thermal shock can damage older cast iron or glazed ceramic. If a plunger and soap do not clear the obstruction, use a closet auger with a short, flexible cable designed for toilet bends and feed gently until you feel resistance, then rotate to break up or hook the obstruction. For recurring clogs, consider inspecting the vent stack on the roof for blockages that prevent proper drainage, or using a camera inspection to locate deeper problems such as tree root intrusion or collapsed pipe sections. When plastic components like seals or wax rings are degraded, replace them promptly, and if you see persistent slow drains, gurgling elsewhere in the house, or sewage odors, schedule a professional plumber who can pressure test the system and recommend repair or partial repipe if necessary. People commonly underestimate chemical drain cleaners, which can corrode metal pipes and damage septic systems, so avoid them and use mechanical methods first. Another frequent mistake is forcing a plunger too aggressively, which can dislodge seals and cause leaks. Instead, stop if water levels rise and call a pro to prevent overflow. A third issue is ignoring signs like repeated slow flushing and water backing into sinks, which indicate a mainline problem. Address those with a camera inspection and coordinated repairs rather than repeated temporary fixes. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners locate trusted local contractors and compare services relevant to plumbing and long-term repair needs. We also help contractors find new jobs and share knowledge through our active discussion community, where homeowners and professionals exchange practical tips and real-world experiences.